Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut down a tree using the conventional notch. So this is going to be a flat at the bottom notch with an angled cut coming back toward the apex, sort of look like a greater than sign. So we'll have a notch cut. It'll be just like this, where it's flat at the bottom and then angled at the top, and then what that's going to do is cause the tree to fall, and then the notch will break, or the hinge will break, and the tree will come right off the base. And the goal here will be to have the tree fall in this direction. So it'll fall that way with this notch. So now let's give you a look at the tree so you can see it for yourself. All right, so here it is. We got the tree. You can see it's pretty tall. It's not super big, and it doesn't appear to have anything tangled up. So it should be a pretty easy drop. But again, we're going to make it fall right over here with the conventional notch. So let's fire up the saw, and we will get started. All right, we'll begin by getting rid of these little suckers on the side so that we have clean and clear room to work with the saw. And remember, we are using a conventional notch, so it will be flat at the bottom, and then it'll tip that way. So we'll come in flat at the bottom, angled at the top. So here we go. Make the bottom cut no more than 1/4 of the way into the tree, then start with the top cut angled down. Take this all the way back. Be careful that your bar doesn't get pinched. Then we'll go about midway between those two cuts to cut out a little wedge, and then lower down to make what we call a cookie. Then you can come down at an angle, cut that out, and if you need to make this bigger, you can continue that process. So now we'll do the back cut. This is going to come in straight from the back, so that this tree is going to start tipping this way. So we'll give it a little push, and you can see here we've got it tipping. This is the advantage of a little tree. Now we can continue the cut and timber. Here it is again. You can see here we have a nice flat cut, and the tree fell in the proper direction, so that is it. That is how to cut a tree using a conventional notch. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. In addition, hit that subscribe button, like icon, and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos from How To Video Channel. Thank you.